Butika 13th million sewuthengile bakithi umuzi finally. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 5th to the 9th of August 2024 on Monday. Donga and Khathazile start an exciting new chapter of their lives. Mamchunu is traumatized by her ordeal. Fakazile continues waging war against the Shabalalas and Ngubeko is caught in the crossfire on Tuesday. Fakazile finally decides to put her sword down. Donga is head to sing Nkosazana with another man. Sibusiso learns that he has a baby on the way on Wednesday. Mqondisi attempt to exhume their father behind Mshengu's back. Donga confesses his feelings to Nkosazana. Didi refuses to leave Sibusiso's parents' home and Sibu feels trapped on Thursday. Mamchunu asks Mshengu if he is rejecting the idea of exhumation because it didn't come from him. Didi put Khathazile in her place on Friday. Mqondisi and Mshengu locks horns, neither side budges. Donga and his family move into their new home. Sibusiso apologizes to Didi for how he's been toward her. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.